Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen and I am so excited because today's video is the first in my spring cleaning series. So today I am spring cleaning my living room area and just getting those areas that get neglected throughout the year. Personally, I love spring cleaning, but as a busy working mom of 2 kiddos, it is hard to find the time to squeeze it in. So for myself, realistically, I have to spring clean in zones. I'll do the living room area, maybe I'll do the kitchen another time, and then I'll do bedrooms, bathrooms, and so on. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and get tons and tons of motivation, especially for spring cleaning if you haven't started yet. I'm also really excited because this video is a collaboration with Sydney. Her channel is called Just Sydney and she's got similar content to mine. She is a sweet mama of twin boys. They are adorable, and I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself to you.
Hi guys, my name is Sydney and I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom of 2-year-old twin boys. And on my channel you will find a lot of cleaning motivation, lifestyle videos, and organizing and decluttering. So once you are done watching Gretchen's video, I hope you decide to come on over to my channel to get double the motivation to get your spring cleaning started.
So when you're done watching my video, head on over to Sydney's channel. Click on her video. Her video is going to be linked in the description box below, so it'll be there as soon as you're finished watching this one. And let her know that I sent you over to her channel. Show her some love. You're going to get some more cleaning motivation over there. She actually just reached 1,000 subscribers recently. I am so proud of her. She's doing such an amazing job. So go over there and check her out because you're going to love her. And if you're coming over from Sydney's channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video and coming over here to visit. I hope that you decide to stick around and become a part of this community. So you can see that I had started with my sliding door. That is something that I don't get to clean as often as I would like. Now, I don't only clean it once a year, but throughout the school year when I'm working, it gets really gross and I just get to look at the fingerprints all the time. So I started there and then I went on to the window that is near my sliding door and I wiped it down, and then I started dusting off my curtain. So I did this for the first time last spring because realistically I was not going to take my curtains down and try to wash them myself or mess them up, and I just do not have time to take them to the dry cleaners. It's just not realistic for me right now. So last year I thought of dusting it with a vacuum, and it was incredible how much dust I got off of the curtain. So the last time I did this, I think, was before Christmas, before I started decorating there, and it was already full of dust. So you're gonna see me just getting rid of all of the dust in that area. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. So another area that gets neglected a lot is that track of the sliding door. And it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I don't remember the last time that I cleaned this, but I was impressed that it had stayed so clean, especially with the kids having like the little sandbox out there and tracking sand inside. So I was actually impressed that it wasn't that bad. And then I started dusting around the little mirrors that I have. My walls get really dusty. I don't know about you guys, but you're gonna see as I go on throughout this video dusting, my little Swiffer duster just starts getting darker and darker and darker from accumulating all of the dust that I grab. So although my fan isn't something that I only clean once a year, I try to dust my fan at least once a month if I can, just because that really does collect a lot of dust. But when I'm spring cleaning, I like to start my way from the top and work my way down. So while I was dusting everything else, the walls and anything else that I needed to dust in the living room, I went ahead and got my fan done, because then I was going to start vacuuming and cleaning the couch off and things like that. So I wanted to make sure that I got that done. And this sectional is a pain to move, but my husband was cooking at the time. He was actually grilling outside. So I tried to shift it as much as I could by myself, and look at all of that stuff under there. Just crumbs and crumbs. So I wanted to start getting that vacuumed up. This really is something that I only do once a year, because this sectional is so heavy that even my husband and I trying to move it is a pain in the butt. And especially taking it off of the rug and trying to put it back on the rug, oh gosh, it's even worse. So trying to get everything clean under here, I try to do the best that I can, just because we move the sectional as best as we can, and I try to get everything there and then put it back, because after that it is not moving again for the rest of the year.
Why don't you help me? Let me go, go, let me go, go, let me go. I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known you are not right for me, so let go.
So then once I was done vacuuming and getting all of the crumbs and everything that I could from around and under the couch, I wanted to go ahead and give the couch a good vacuum. This has actually gotten better within the last year. The kids have gotten much better about not eating on the couch, so the crumbs aren't as bad as they used to be, and I'm not finding as many toys as I used to find under the couch. But I wanted to go ahead and give it a good vacuum, and then you're going to see what happens in a moment here. Mid-vacuum, guys, while I am cleaning and trying to get this couch done, I'm like, what's going on? Vacuum, shut off. I was like, did somebody shut the vacuum off? Did somebody unplug the cord? No. The vacuum just died on me. So it got overheated and I had to let it cool down. So I went on with the broom and just got everything that I couldn't get from around the couch earlier, but I didn't get to finish vacuuming out my couch. And I got really frustrated because I really just wanted to get that done. So you're not going to see that get finished in this video because the vacuum overheated and I had to wait for it to just be okay again, and that did not happen on that night.
Let me go, go, let me go. Go, go, let me go, go, go.
So I don't know if you guys have ever dusted your walls, but if you haven't, I would give it a try because it is really crazy how much dust your walls can accumulate. And this I only do once a year, where I actually take the time and go around my living room or my kitchen when I'm spring cleaning and just get everything dusted. Usually it's the tops of the ceiling going towards the top of the wall, but yeah, everything. Look at my duster. It's just getting nice and dusty there. You can see as I go.
It's not that I don't care. Need to
This is the area where we keep our bar stools. So you can just imagine everybody kicking their feet on the wall and just everything rubbing up against there, or food splattering on there from when the kids are eating at the counter. So this was really dirty, even though you cannot tell from this video, and I should have gotten a close-up of it. I didn't think to do that, but it had smudges and dirt and it was gross. So definitely I needed to wipe this down, and it makes it look almost like you just gave it a fresh coat of paint after you've taken all of the dirt and all of the junk off.
Miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no.
So before we sat down to eat the delicious burgers that my husband made, I went ahead and asked him if we could go and try to put the couch back on the rug. So I stopped cleaning the wall and baseboards so I can get that done, because as you can tell, it's just a pain to try to get it back on top of this rug, because the sectional is so heavy that I can't just lift it up with him. So yeah, not doing that again for a while. It's just not happening. That's it. That's done for the rest of the year.
Calling me up, just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just wanted to start.
Then it was back to cleaning the baseboards. And if you're wondering what I'm cleaning them with, it's just hot water and soap. So that's all it is, and a rag and just some elbow grease, getting all of the scuff marks off of there. There was a lot of scuff marks because the robot vacuum, when it goes, it hits the baseboards and it was leaving a lot of scuff marks. So if you see me like really getting in there, it's not that my baseboards were disgusting, even though they were dirty, but the scuff marks were really hard to get off. And I just wanted to make sure that I got them looking really nice again, because I will not be doing this again for a while.
But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, baby. Yeah.
Head underwater, falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it.
And this is what the water looked like once I was done wiping down the walls and wiping down the baseboards.
River, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
So I always dust the TV stand, but I wanted to make sure that I just really got into all the little nooks and crannies and really got in there. And also that bright red thing there, that is a Wii that we had up in our closet, and we didn't even remember we had it from forever ago. So the kids have been playing Mario, Super Mario on there, Mario Kart, and Donkey Kong. So that beautiful bright red thing is sitting on my entertainment stand now, but the kids are enjoying it, and my husband is playing with them, and so they love it. But I see now what an eyesore it is just sitting there. But oh well, it is what it is. So if you've made it this far into the video and you haven't yet hit that like button, I just want to remind you to go ahead and click that button. And also, if you're not subscribed yet, I hope that you'll take a moment to hit that red subscribe button and stick around here. I've got a ton more spring cleaning coming up and so much more decluttering and organizing. So I hope you guys will stick around for that. And also don't forget to check out in the description box below Sydney's video. Go over there, check out her video, let her know that I sent you over, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Take care and God bless, guys. Bye.